Come watch me use my 6-quart WantJoin pressure cooker to make my grandmom's famous mac and cheese recipe. So I'm just adding in the water, the noodles, as well as a little bit of salt. Now, you really want to make sure that it is seal locked so that there is no air coming out of it and it can really cook fully. Once that's done, you just put the oven on and you wait. It is seriously as simple as that. What I love is that the pressure cooker is easy to assemble as well, so that even I can do it, which is definitely a testament to how simple it is. So I'm so excited to make this mac and cheese. All I had to do was turn on the stove, put in the ingredients, and then just wait for it to be done. Seriously, how simple is that? What I really like about this pressure cooker is the fact that it cooks 50% faster than normal cooking itself. It has 11.6 psi balanced pressure cooking speeds, so it speeds up the cooking of the ingredients without diminishing the amount of nutrients in the food. Now I'm just adding heavy cream and butter, stirring that in inside, and then we are going to gradually add some cheese. Now, this pressure cooker is safe and durable. The pressure cooker equips multiple safety functions, so it keeps you safe and makes your food delicious. The U-shaped cooking area distributes the heat evenly, and the faster heat transfer reduces sticking. So it really is perfect, especially for mac and cheese, which is known to stick in traditional pots. All you have to do is put the food in and just wait for it to be done. It really couldn't be simpler, and you are going to love this pressure cooker just as much as I do. It made delicious mac and cheese that my grandma would definitely be proud of.